Hello and welcome to the new video. In this, I am renovating this sun deck or patio, whatever you want to call it. This is just going to be a time-lapse video with me just explaining what I'm doing. First thing first, I am taking the railings down. So I'm just cutting into smaller pieces. So it's just easier to lower them down from the deck. In the middle of the deck, the plywood was pretty rotted. Um, so I am gonna be replacing the whole plywood with the new 5/8 tongue and groove plywood. Now I am starting to take the plywood out. That birch bar is making it look easy, but it was not that easy. So just enjoy the time lapse. The outer rim joist was pretty rotted, so I replaced it with the new nice solid wood. And here I am just blocking the joists where there was a little bit of water damage, just to give it some extra support. And with that done, I am on to laying new sheets. Here, this is the end of the first day. I got all the new plywood down. So tomorrow, next day, it's going to be starting the process of laying the vinyl, the waterproofing membrane down. First thing, I'll be sanding the edges and the seams to smooth them out. Nailing the drip edge flashing on. Now I am putting some cement on the seams to make it more smoother so you don't feel any joint or bump or anything. Filling up those knot holes. Giving it a last and final sand before installing the vinyl. Gluing down the vinyl now. Now I am heat welding the joint together. So this is the final product once everything is down and welded together. Let me know what you guys think about it, and thanks for watching and follow for more videos.